the cheap record players that like the plastic record players that would have the 2 pound tone arm, the record ruiners, record ruining machines, flexi discs. Yeah, I've done videos on flexi discs.
Hello. I'm DeckTalk, a powerful and exciting new text-to-speech system from Digital Equipment Corporation. I can convert standard ASCII text from any computer or terminal into natural-sounding voice. I have many features such as
different voices,
variable rates of speech,
and an unlimited vocabulary.
I can also accept interactive commands from any touch-tone telephone. I can even be instructed to make outgoing calls.
DeckTalk combines sophisticated linguistic firmware and the latest advances in voice, microprocessor, and signal processing technology. DeckTalk perfects its pronunciation by applying more than 500 letter-to-sound rules for intonation, duration, and word stress. Now that I've introduced myself, let's listen in on some other DeckTalks at work.
Good afternoon. Welcome to your bank's automatic balance reporting system. Please enter your account number. Please enter your password. Thank you, Mr. Jones. As of 12:47 p.m., June 20th, 1984, your now account number 2473801 had a balance of $15,968.09. That's 15968.09. If you need to speak to a customer service representative, please press 9. Have a nice day.
Welcome to All-in-One Remote Electronic Mail. Please enter your mail access code. You have 5 messages. Press 0 to list messages. Press 1 to read the first message. Press 2 for help. Message from Mike Carabetta. Received April 19, 1984, 2:10 p.m. Subject, Lunch Tuesday. Hi Larry. Do you ever stop traveling? Would you like to join Stan and me for lunch next Tuesday? We have reservations at Jason's at noon. Regards, Mike. Message read. Press 1 to file. Press 2 to delete. Press 3 to read next message. Press 9 to exit.
But yeah, the flexi discs, they used to put them on the back of cereal boxes and stuff. You cut it out and put it on record player, and yeah, flexi discs. That was great. Flexi disc. That was space age technology. Flexi discs were great. I mean, they were originally, I think, invented as a way of mailing messages, mailing audio messages, because the idea is you could record a flexi disc on a cutter machine and put it in the mail, or you could mass produce flexi discs and put them in with letters, like in an envelope, put it in the mail, and have a recorded message on there. I believe it was originally invented as a way to mail audio messages, but it really found its way into the kids' world because you could get a box of Super Sugar Crisp and cut the record off the back and be playing Yummy, Yummy, Yummy while you're eating your cereal. And I see, that's the thing. In my humble view, there's nothing in the modern world that could be as exciting as it was in the 70s, when you could cut a record out of the back of a cereal box and be eating your sugary cereal, your real, honest-to-goodness, genuine cane sugar cereal loaded with flavor, artificial colors, artificial flavors, and loads of sugar, and you're hopping up on the sugar with your milk and listening to your flexi disc on your record destroying machine. there's nothing in today's world that's that exciting. I think that's true. I don't think there's anything that exciting in today's world.
Just a minute, gang. Oh, baby.
Yeah, those record-destroying turntables, you would typically get a sapphire needle with that, which would last, I don't know, a sapphire needle, a dozen 45s maybe, you're pretty much worn it out. And then it wouldn't track anymore because the tip would basically be rounded off. So you'd have to start stacking coins on it. And so you start out with a dime and then a penny and then a nickel. And you would just tape the large, whatever appropriate size coin to the cartridge to be able to keep the completely worn out needle in the groove. And then you're just grinding the groove out. Yeah, that's how we did it back in the day. It was record-destroying turntables. I owned one. I had a little Sears record-destroying turntable. And I don't have any of the records because I literally destroyed all the records with that record-destroying turntable. They definitely destroyed records.